This cheesy buffalo chicken dip is irresistible. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, and today I've got my mini-me with me.
And this dip is perfect for your Halloween party, so let's get started.
Let's put together a dough to make some delicious bread buns. To 1 1/4 cup of warm water, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's give it a whisk and keep it aside for the yeast to do its thing. To our stand mixer, we're going to be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's add in the activated yeast. Starting off with a paddle attachment, we're going to bring the dough together. With the mixer on a slow speed, we're going to stream in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that the dough has almost come together, let's attach a dough hook. Now let's apply some oil to the mixing bowl. And now we're going to place the dough inside the well-oiled bowl and brush the dough with some oil. Now let's cover this with a plastic wrap and keep it in a nice warm place till it doubles in volume.
Now for our cheesy buffalo chicken dip center, we're going to start off with 2 cups of boiled shredded chicken. To that we're going to add 1 block of softened cream cheese, and this is about 250 grams. Next we're going to add in 1 cup of grated cheese, and I've got some white and some yellow cheddar here. You can go with any cheese that you like the flavor of. Next, I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. And this is going to make it super creamy and delicious. And now to spice it up, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of buffalo hot sauce. And this is going to add that incredible classic flavor. And finally, just for a little color and also for some beautiful flavor, we're going to add in some parsley, which has been chopped finely. Now let's mix this all together. First, going to start out by smoothing out the cream cheese. It's really important to use softened cream cheese here, just so that it makes this step a little bit easier. And there, we've got our dip all ready to go.
Let's dust some flour on our work surface. Let's cut out a small piece of the dough. Now let's roll this out and cut out some fun Halloween shapes. Now to prevent them from rising too much, we're just going to prick some holes in them so that the air gets a chance to release. And let's finish this off with an egg wash before we put it into the oven. Going to give these all a lovely shine. Now let's pop these into the oven and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's add some oil to the skillet and brush it around. Let's cut the dough into 8 equal pieces. Then we're going to half each one so we get 16 buns. Bring the edge of the dough to the center. Give it a nice swirl in the center of your palm till you form a nice bun. We're going to place the buns around the edge of the skillet.
Let's brush the bread with some egg wash, and this is going to give it a beautiful glow. Now let's spoon in our buffalo chicken dip into the center. Let's top this with some grated cheese. And let's garnish the buns with some finely chopped parsley. Let's pop this in the oven and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. Let's top the dip with our Halloween dough decoration. We've chosen to go with this cute pumpkin. Now look at that.
Now let's give this a taste. Wow, it's so cheesy. Oh, see that stretch. Hey, and before we go, if you're new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we upload new videos.
And follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the information is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See ya!